Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Gatie here. I don't know how many songs we have in our bag here when it comes to this Gatie, but it's everything I wanted. This is the song this time, and has been here many times before. So if you appreciate his songs, then feel free to subscribe to Growing Guitar and get many songs that we really enjoy to do here, because they are pretty much very easy to play very often and very guitar friendly with simple patterns and all that. So if you love Gatie, subscribe to this channel and stay for this one. Everything I wanted. We have 4 chords here, a capo set on the 2nd fret and 1 string pattern. That's it. So let's take a look at the chords. We have E minor, B minor, C, and G. So starting here with E minor, we have open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so B minor next. A bar chord, a bar placed on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up. That's what you need to bar, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we have a strumming pattern we need to learn. And let's grab this E minor, 1 round. It's a big one. It goes like this. Alright, so it sounds very hard and difficult, but it's pretty much 2 rounds, very close to 2 rounds after each other. So if we take the first half of it, it goes like this: down, up, down, up. Okay, so start with that. And then comes clap, up, down, up. Alright, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then the second half will be exactly the same. The only difference here is you skip the first down. So make a pause there instead. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, and then you skip the first down and continue with the same up, clap, up, down, up. So the first half was down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you make a pause there, and then you play up, clap, up, down, up. Alright, so together everything will be like this slowly. Alright, so you're gonna play one of these string patterns here per chord, and the same order we learned the chords. So E minor, B minor, C, and G. 1 per chord sounds like this. Yeah, that's 1 chord progression round. If you just speed up the tempo just a tad and get the right strumming tempo there, it will be like this. And there we are close to the standard tempo. So Gatie's everything I wanted. Very easy to handle and play, guys. So learn the strumming pattern, and it's pretty much what you need to handle this song. So good luck, and until next time, play tuned.